Starting an affiliate marketing business can be exciting. The thrill of creating something new, the anticipation of potential success, and the dream of financial freedom can be incredibly motivating. You might find yourself daydreaming about the possibilities, imagining the passive income rolling in while you sleep, and visualizing a future where your online business thrives. It's a vision that many share, and it's easy to get caught up in the excitement. You dream of passive income and online success. The idea of making money while you sleep is alluring, and the stories of successful affiliate marketers who have achieved financial independence can be incredibly inspiring. You might picture yourself traveling the world, working from exotic locations, and enjoying the freedom that comes with a successful online business. It's a powerful vision that can drive you to take the plunge into affiliate marketing. But many beginners make a critical mistake. They get so caught up in the excitement and the dream of success that they overlook the importance of planning. They dive in headfirst without taking the time to develop a clear strategy, and this can lead to a host of problems down the line. Without a solid plan, it's easy to become overwhelmed and lost in the sea of information and options available in the world of affiliate marketing. They jump in without a plan. This impulsive approach can be likened to diving into a pool without checking the depth or the temperature of the water. It might feel exhilarating at first, but it can quickly turn into a disaster if you're not prepared. In the context of affiliate marketing, this means starting a business without understanding your target audience, your niche, or your competition. It's a recipe for frustration and failure. This is like setting sail without a map or compass. Imagine embarking on a journey across the ocean without any navigation tools. You might have a general idea of where you want to go, but without a map or compass, you'll likely end up lost and adrift. In affiliate marketing, a well-defined plan serves as your map and compass, guiding you through the complexities of the industry and helping you stay on course towards your goals. Without a clear direction, you'll likely struggle. The affiliate marketing landscape is vast and ever-changing, and without a clear plan, it's easy to become overwhelmed and disoriented. You might find yourself chasing after every new trend or opportunity, spreading yourself too thin, and ultimately making little progress. A lack of direction can lead to wasted time, effort, and resources, and it can be incredibly discouraging. You might waste time on unprofitable niches. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is choosing a niche without doing proper research. They might pick a niche that seems popular or interesting, but without understanding the market demand, competition, and profitability, they can end up investing a lot of time and effort into a niche that doesn't generate significant income. This can be incredibly frustrating and can lead to burnout. You could spend money on ineffective marketing. Another common pitfall is spending money on marketing strategies that don't yield results. Without a clear plan, it's easy to fall for flashy advertising promises or to invest in marketing channels that aren't well suited to your niche or audience. This can quickly drain your budget and leave you with little to show for your efforts. Effective marketing requires careful planning, testing, and optimization. The result? Frustration and disappointment. When your efforts don't yield the results you hoped for, it's easy to become disheartened. The initial excitement and enthusiasm can quickly give way to frustration and disappointment. You might start to doubt your abilities, question your decisions, and even consider giving up on your affiliate marketing dreams. This emotional roller coaster can be avoided with proper planning and preparation. A well-defined plan prevents these pitfalls. Taking the time to create a detailed plan can save you a lot of headaches down the line. A well-thought-out plan helps you identify your goals, understand your target audience, choose the right niche, and develop effective marketing strategies. It provides a clear roadmap for your business, helping you stay focused and on track. With a solid plan in place, you're better equipped to navigate the challenges and uncertainties of affiliate marketing. It acts as a roadmap, guiding your decisions and actions. Just like a roadmap helps you navigate unfamiliar terrain, a well-defined plan guides your decisions and actions in the world of affiliate marketing. It helps you stay focused on your goals, make informed decisions, and avoid common pitfalls. With a clear plan, you can measure your progress, adjust your strategies as needed, and stay motivated even when faced with challenges. This roadmap is your profit blueprint. Your plan serves as a blueprint for your success, outlining the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. It helps you identify the most profitable opportunities, allocate your resources effectively, and build a sustainable business. With a clear profit blueprint, you can focus your efforts on the strategies that yield the best results, maximizing your chances of success. It's the key to building a successful and sustainable affiliate marketing business. A well-defined plan is essential for long-term success in affiliate marketing. It helps you build a strong foundation, stay focused on your goals, and adapt to changes in the market. With a solid plan, you can create a business that not only generates income, but also provides you with the freedom and flexibility you desire. It's the key to turning your affiliate marketing dreams into reality. Don't let the excitement of starting overshadow the importance of planning. While it's natural to feel excited about starting your affiliate marketing journey, it's important not to let that excitement cloud your judgment. Take the time to plan carefully, set realistic goals, and develop a clear strategy. Balancing your enthusiasm with careful planning will help you avoid common pitfalls and set you up for success. Take the time to create a solid foundation. Building a successful affiliate marketing business requires a strong foundation. This means doing thorough research, understanding your market, and developing a clear plan. By taking the time to lay a solid foundation, you'll be better prepared to navigate the challenges and uncertainties of the industry. A strong foundation sets the stage for long-term success and helps you build a business that can withstand the test of time. This will set you up for long-term success in the competitive world of affiliate marketing. With a well-defined plan and a strong foundation, you'll be well-equipped to achieve long-term success in the competitive world of affiliate marketing. You'll be able to navigate challenges, seize opportunities, and build a business that provides you with the financial freedom and flexibility you desire. So, take the time to plan carefully, stay focused on your goals, and enjoy the journey to success. A profit blueprint is more than just a document, it's your roadmap to success. Imagine navigating a complex journey without a map. You'd likely get lost, waste time, and miss out on opportunities. Similarly, in the business world, a profit blueprint guides you through the intricate landscape of entrepreneurship, ensuring you stay on course and reach your destination efficiently. It outlines everything from your target audience to your marketing strategies. Knowing who your customers are and how to reach them is crucial. Your blueprint will detail the demographics, preferences, and behaviors of your ideal customers, allowing you to tailor your marketing efforts effectively. This blueprint helps you make informed decisions, minimizing risks, and maximizing returns. By having a clear plan, you can anticipate potential challenges and devise strategies to overcome them. This proactive approach reduces the likelihood of costly mistakes and increases your chances of success. Think of it as building a house. You wouldn't start without a blueprint, would you? Just as an architect meticulously plans every detail of a building, you need to plan every aspect of your business. This ensures that all components work together harmoniously, creating a solid foundation for growth. The same principle applies to your business. A profit blueprint provides clarity and direction. It helps you identify your ideal customer. Understanding your target market is the first step in creating a successful business. Your blueprint will help you define who your customers are, what they need, and how you can meet those needs better than anyone else. Who are you targeting with your affiliate products? Analyze your competition. Knowing your competitors is just as important as knowing your customers. Your blueprint will include a thorough analysis of your competitors, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. This information is invaluable in positioning your business to stand out in the market. What are they doing well? By understanding what your competitors are doing right, you can learn from their successes and incorporate similar strategies into your own business. This doesn't mean copying them, but rather using their successful tactics as inspiration to improve your own approach. Where can you outperform them? Identifying areas where you can excel beyond your competitors is key to gaining a competitive edge. Your blueprint will help you pinpoint these opportunities, allowing you to focus your efforts on areas where you can truly shine. Develop a winning pricing strategy. Pricing is a critical component of your business strategy. Your blueprint will guide you in setting prices that are competitive yet profitable, ensuring that you attract customers while maintaining healthy margins. How much should you charge to stay competitive and profitable? Your blueprint will provide detailed insights into pricing strategies, helping you determine the optimal price points for your products or services. This balance is crucial for attracting customers and achieving financial success. With a profit blueprint, you're not just hoping for the best. You're making strategic choices backed by research and planning. This approach transforms uncertainty into confidence, allowing you to move forward with a clear vision and a well-defined path to success. You're making strategic choices backed by research and planning. Every decision you make is informed by data and analysis, reducing guesswork and increasing the likelihood of positive outcomes. This methodical approach ensures that your business is built on a solid foundation. This sets the stage for sustainable profits and long-term success. By following your profit blueprint, you create a roadmap that guides you through the complexities of business, helping you achieve your goals and build a thriving enterprise. The blueprint is not just a plan, it's your secret weapon for navigating the competitive landscape and emerging victorious. Market research is the foundation of your profit blueprint. It's the bedrock upon which successful businesses are built. Without it, you're essentially flying blind, making decisions based on guesswork rather than solid data. Market research provides the insights you need to understand your audience, identify opportunities, and mitigate risks. It's not just about collecting data. It's about interpreting that data to make informed decisions that drive your business forward. It's about understanding your target audience and the competitive landscape. Knowing who your customers are, what they want, and how they behave is crucial. Equally important is understanding your competitors, what they're doing well, where they're falling short, and how you can position yourself to stand out. This dual focus on customers and competitors allows you to carve out a unique space in the market. This step is crucial for choosing a profitable niche and crafting a winning strategy. A niche that aligns with your strengths and passions and meets a real market need is more likely to be successful. Your strategy should leverage your unique insights and competitive advantages to create value for your customers. This involves not just identifying opportunities, but also anticipating challenges and planning how to overcome them. Start by identifying your interests and passions. What are you genuinely excited about? What topics do you find yourself constantly reading or talking about? Your passion will fuel your perseverance, especially when challenges arise. It's also important to consider your expertise. What are you knowledgeable about? What skills and experiences do you bring to the table? This combination of passion and expertise is a powerful foundation for your business. What topics are you knowledgeable about? Your knowledge and skills are valuable assets. They can help you identify opportunities that others might overlook and provide solutions that others can't. Think about the problems you can solve. What challenges do people face that you can help with? This is where your business can make a real impact. What problems can you help people solve? Identifying these problems is key to finding a profitable niche. People are willing to pay for solutions to their problems. The more pressing the problem, the more valuable the solution. This is where your market research comes in. It helps you understand the pain points of your target audience and how you can address them effectively. Once you have a few ideas, dive deeper into research. Look at market trends, customer feedback, and industry reports. Use this information to validate your ideas and refine your strategy. The goal is to gather as much relevant information as possible to make informed decisions. This research will also help you identify potential challenges and opportunities, allowing you to plan accordingly. Utilize tools like Google Trends and keyword research tools. These tools can provide valuable insights into what people are searching for online. They can help you understand the demand for different topics and identify emerging trends. This information is crucial for choosing a niche and developing a content strategy that resonates with your audience. These tools reveal what people are searching for online. They can show you the popularity of different keywords and topics, helping you understand what your audience is interested in. This information can guide your content creation, marketing efforts, and product development. By aligning your business with what people are searching for, you can increase your visibility and attract more customers. Look for niches with high demand and low competition. Analyze your competitors. What are they doing well? Where are they falling short? This analysis can help you identify gaps in the market that you can fill. It can also provide insights into what works and what doesn't, helping you refine your strategy. Remember, the goal is not just to compete, but to differentiate yourself and offer unique value to your customers. What products are they promoting? Understanding the products and services your competitors are offering can provide valuable insights. It can help you identify popular products, understand pricing strategies, and spot opportunities for differentiation. This information can also guide your product development and marketing efforts, helping you create offerings that stand out in the market. What marketing strategies are they using? Analyzing your competitors' marketing strategies can provide valuable insights into what works and what doesn't. It can help you understand how to reach your target audience, what messages resonate with them, and what channels are most effective. This information can guide your own marketing efforts, helping you create campaigns that are more likely to succeed. This information will help you identify opportunities to differentiate your business. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about your market, your audience, and your competitors, the better equipped you'll be to succeed. Use this knowledge to create a unique value proposition that sets you apart from the competition. This will help you attract and retain customers and ultimately achieve your business goals. The more you understand your market, the better equipped you'll be to succeed. Market research is an ongoing process. As your business grows and evolves, so too should your understanding of the market. Stay informed about industry trends, customer preferences, and competitive dynamics. This will help you adapt to changes, seize new opportunities, and continue to grow your business. Remember, success is not just about having a great idea, it's about executing that idea effectively, and market research is a critical part of that process. Section 4, Customer-Centric Solutions, the heart of your business. In the crowded marketplace of affiliate marketing, standing out is crucial. The key? Solving your customers' problems. Your goal is to recommend products and services that provide real value. Ask yourself, what keeps your target audience up at night? What solutions are they desperately seeking? By understanding their pain points, you can recommend products that truly resonate. This customer-centric approach builds trust and loyalty. Instead of simply pushing products for commissions, focus on providing genuine help. Share your knowledge and expertise through engaging content. This could be blog posts, videos, or social media updates. Remember, people buy from those they trust. By positioning yourself as a helpful advisor, you'll attract customers who are more likely to make a purchase. Section 5. The Pricing Puzzle. Finding your sweet spot. Pricing your affiliate products can be tricky. You want to stay competitive while ensuring profitability. Finding the right balance is crucial. Consider these factors when developing your pricing strategy. Competitor pricing. Research how much your competitors charge for similar products. Perceived value. How valuable is your product or service to your target audience? Cost of goods sold. Factor in any expenses associated with promoting the product. Don't be afraid to experiment with different pricing models. You can offer tiered pricing, bundles, or discounts. The key is to find what works best for your business and your customers. Remember, price is not just about numbers, it's a reflection of your brand's value. Choose a pricing strategy that aligns with your overall business goals. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe.